Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. This week I'm doing a spelt loaf. Very few ingredients. I'm going to do it in the TM6, but don't worry, if you haven't got a TM6 you can do this in a stand mixer, and if you haven't got a stand mixer, do it by hand. It is that easy to do. Anyway, follow along and let's see how we do. See you in a minute. First of all, add all the dry ingredients into the bowl. You put in 500 grams of spelt flour, and then you put in 16 grams, that's 2 packets of dry active yeast, and then you put in the mixed nuts of your choice, and then after that we'll add in some sea salt. Now for the wet ingredients. We have 16 grams of maple syrup, 50 grams of white wine vinegar, and then 500 millilitres of 40-degree water, and we put this on the dough setting for 8 minutes. Prepare yourself a tin or a dish ready for the mix. Take it out and tip it onto your work surface, and then knead it until it all comes together. By the way, this is suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Now bring it all together, and then once it's ready, put it into your dish or into your cake tin. And now what we do is put this in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. You then take it out and then cut it through with a knife, and then put it back in the oven for another 40 minutes. Hello, welcome back. Okay, I've completed that one, and this is our lovely spelt bread. Okay, I'm going to cut into this and we'll see what it's like. The good test is to cut right through the middle, and we'll see what it's come out like. There we are. That's lovely. It's still hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of that. So I can't actually eat it yet, but that was quite simple to make. Everything just in all at once. If you haven't got a Thermomix, do it in a stand mixer. If you haven't got a stand mixer, do it with your hands in a bowl. It really isn't that difficult to do. Anyway, please try to make this, and like and subscribe, because it really does help the channel. Anyway, I'll see you again soon for another video. Thanks very much. Oh, and by the way, thanks to everybody who's already subscribed. I really appreciate it. See you soon.